here we are. It is finally time after, gosh, almost a year of crap and rebuilding this car and other things that have gone on. And we finally got this thing fully done and ready to do its first start with the fully built, wait, not fully built, like pre-built 1.5 JZ S13 with the new winner's rear end, new fully built engine, new ECU master PMU, ADU, ECU, new wiring harness, all the above. So as you guys know, in the past few years, we've had a lot of issues with engines, and that's why we changed everything and didn't drive half the year to get this thing completely rebuilt and done to be reliable and competitive for the time being. So now is the moment of truth. Fresh built engine, all new wiring, all new Dyno fuel system, everything is new. So it's very stressful, it's scary, anxiety is rising, but I'm also very excited at the same time. So that being said, oil's in this thing, and it's time to do the first start of the new engine. Get right to it. We're gonna start it through a heat cycle. No water in it yet because I have to replace one of the water pipes tomorrow with another new pump, with another new part that I've got from Freddie. So we're gonna start it, let it run for a few minutes, not that long, it can't get that hot, and then just turn it off, make sure it sounds good. So if it runs really good, I'm gonna get some water and make this thing run a little bit longer because it's not gonna start it and turn it off that quick. So, all right, first start is gonna happen. I'm very excited, fingers crossed, should be good. Let's do it. All right, so obviously up next is fuel. So we gotta fill the car with some fresh 1-ethanol race fuel, and then into the brand new performance fuel cell, Dyno in-tank surge tank setup. And then obviously this is not ideal to fill up fuel, like putting it up in here and filling it like that. We have the new performance filler kit that we're gonna put on from the cell to the plexiglass window that we don't have yet. So once that comes in, we'll install that filler kit to where we have it on the side of the car. You pop it off, fill it up like normal, so it's not annoying to have to pick up the entire old hatch and do that every time, and it's not ideal. So we're also getting a carbon hatch. This thing's old and rusty and trashed and nasty and very heavy. So when the carbon hatch comes in as well, it'll be a lot nicer and a lot lighter back here. But time to put some fresh 1-ethanol in this thing and give it the first start.
It's like a waterfall.
Huh?
It's like a waterfall.
Yeah, waterfall.
It's water falling.
Goodness right here.
Look at that. Hear that? That's
my arms are absolutely killing me, but this is
good
very
stuff there. You can hear it.
Oh, you can hear the noise.
You can hear the quality of
you can hear the
fuel
torque from here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You want the filler kit?
Dad, this hurts.
Do you?
So the car started first try, ran great, and we didn't run it that long because we don't have water in it yet. It runs good first try. I'm going to build the motor, Paul wired the whole car, ECU master PMU, fresh motor, fresh fuel system, literally started and worked first try, and that's so awesome. But there was one little thing, and that was the alternator was not charging because on the adapter from the harness to the alternator, one of the pinouts was incorrect. So we had to swap one pin over to the next one, but unfortunately the connector we have has that like gluey stuff inside the connector. You have to get a new one. But other than that, it runs good. The camera's gonna die, but up next you'll see us doing some more stuff. I'm so excited. Let's go. All right guys, what's up? New video here, and it's time for the day I've been waiting for a year. We're tuning the car with Freddie. We're back with Freddie this year, spec tuned. Tuning the car on the dyno, fresh motor on the main line, Pro Hub dyno. Say hi, Freddie. Out of focus, sorry, but fresh motor here, ready to go. Should be going good. Fresh 1-ethanol in there. Things sound great. So I want to have a 3-map goal of like a 500 horsepower map, 600 horsepower map, and then 700 horsepower map, maybe 800, we'll see. But on my keyboard now I have a map change to where I can go from 6, 7, 800 horsepower, whatever map I want to do, to have like fun days, comp days, or do some theoretical stuff in comp. So on the dyno now, I'm very excited, very nervous because of you know, years of crap, but I worked very hard for this. Hopefully it goes well, and Fresh did a good job getting this tune dialed and ready to go, so let's see what happens. It's stressful, but basically we're breaking the motor, getting a lot of load on the motor, break it in, get it ready for the pulls and the final tuning and stuff, and then drivability, and then we'll go to the big boy stuff. But I'm trying to breathe and be calm, but it's it's very stressful after all this shit. But I'm feeling good about it. It's just a lot of anxiety and thoughts, but we'll be alright. The first 8,000 RPM pull, but yeah, we're driving this into 8,000 RPM now, which is freaking crazy. So this thing sounds nuts. It sounds so crazy. Before we revved to like 7,200, 7,400 RPM before, and now we're at 8,000. We're probably gonna go to 82 at the end of the day. So damn, this thing's crazy. Alright, so we are finally using these cams, what they're made for.
Not cam.
Sorry, cam gears.
Cam
gears. Listen, I'm shaking. I'm gonna explode in about 5 minutes, alright? Anyway, we're degreeing the cams with BC cam gears. Why?
Just trying to pick up more bottom end.
Yeah, so the turbo does come in a little bit later than I really want, so we're gonna get some more mid-range down low and have it come in a little bit sooner, hopefully by degreeing the cams to get the torque and power curve sooner, to bring it up top, and then do more timing up here, or drag it out more, because it kind of falls off up here. So After that, should be good to go. Let's see what happens. Oh shit! There it is! 713, baby. Let's go. 713. Crack the goal. Hell yeah. Woo! So that's the low map. That's map 1 for skid pad having fun days. And then we're doing middle button and then on kill like before. So hell yeah. Alright, so I got 560 for map 1, that's low boost, fun map, 647 for like a mid map, and then 713 is like full kill. So if I'm at the skid pad, or even at a comp or a slower car, if I need to go for a faster car, I can kind of play with the maps that I want to use. So I am very stoked on that. Alright Freddie, what do you think? Turbo wasn't that great, but other than that, I think it went pretty smooth.
I mean, yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah,
700 horse.
700 horsepower is my goal.
30 pounds. Kind of a lot of a boost, but
yeah,
turbo's not bad.
But hey, the motor sounds great, car sounds great, everything seems great. So I'm happy.
Yeah, I mean, we did 3 back-to-back pulls and a cool 10 for 185.
Yeah, oh, but we also did the SPECTUNED coolant delete pipe. No, sorry, thermostat delete pipe. And
well, coolant delete thermostat.
Same thing, but like, this car would never want to cool down. It would just take forever to get down. And now it just fucking, now it just stays and comes down when it needs to. And that's the biggest thing with this, because in comp, if you don't cool down, it just goes up from there and you're screwed. So with that, on the dyno being the test, that's a really, really good data that we got. So I'm very excited to drive this thing. But thank you. Thank you again. If you guys need a tune, hit him up on Instagram, put his link in the description. And he's already really busy, but he needs to be busier, right? Yeah. Got a new Super to pay for. Yeah. Buddy. Alright, so just got back home from a long trip down south, and I'm just very, very, very happy and relieved, and I feel like a new person. Literally feel so good. The car's back together. Freddie did a great job tuning the car. The mainline hub dyno was awesome as well. Really got to dial in the whole tune with that dyno. So, but I finally got to do some freaking donuts and figure eights in my own car with the whole new setup, and it felt awesome. It was a bunch of fun, and I'm very stoked on it. Sounded awesome, felt awesome, all the above. But next weekend, we're gonna test this car and have a good time with it. So, but that will be it for this video. I'll see you guys very soon, and we'll be testing this car next video. We're just gonna floor it and have a lot of fun. Thanks, guys.